Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of ingenious life hacks. Those clever tricks and shortcuts that are going to make your everyday life a whole lot easier. We've got 10 awesome hacks lined up for you, from taming those unruly USB cords to transforming your fridge into a beacon of illumination. You know how much I love a good DIY project, and trust me, these are all about maximizing efficiency without overcomplicating things. So grab your toolboxes, your thinking caps, and let's get this hackathon started. All right, let's kick things off with a classic problem, wrangling those shirts into some semblance of order. We've all been there, staring down a mountain of laundry with dread, but fear no more, my friends, because I'm about to introduce you to your new best friend, the DIY shirt folding board. This thing is about to change your life. With just a bit of cardboard, some trusty duct tape, and maybe a ruler for those who appreciate precision, you can create a folding masterpiece. This isn't just about aesthetics, people. It's about maximizing drawer space and achieving that satisfying sense of organization. And let's be honest, who doesn't love the feeling of a perfectly folded shirt? Calling all bookworms and bibliophiles, have you ever been curled up with a good book, completely engrossed in another world, only to have your hand cramp up from holding the pages open? It's a tragedy as old as time. But fret no more, because I've got a solution for you that's as ingenious as it is simple. Introducing the Sugru Reading Ring. This little lifesaver is about to revolutionize your reading experience. Sugru, that magical moldable glue, is about to become your new best friend. Just shape it into a ring, attach it to the back of your book, and voila! You've got a built-in page holder that will free up your hands and let you fully immerse yourself in the literary world. Let's be real, the standard issue fridge light, yeah, it's not exactly winning any awards. I mean, who hasn't played a late-night game of Find the Mustard in the dark depths of their refrigerator? But fear not, my friends, because we're about to banish those shadowy corners with the power of LED lights. This is a simple upgrade with a massive impact. A few strategically placed LED strips, a little bit of wiring, and boom! Your fridge is transformed into a brightly lit haven of deliciousness. No more fumbling in the dark for that midnight snack. You'll be able to find your pickles with pinpoint accuracy. We've all been there. That tangled mess of USB cords that seems to multiply overnight. It's enough to make even the most patient person lose their cool. But fear not, my cable-wrangling comrades, because I'm about to drop some serious cord management wisdom on you. This is where the magic of coiling comes in. It's all about finding that perfect balance between a secure hold and a gentle touch. We don't want to kink those precious wires. After all, with a little practice, you'll be a cord coiling ninja, transforming that chaotic mess into a thing of beauty. Let's talk about efficiency, people, because time is precious and nobody wants to spend their evenings slaving over a hot stove. Enter the unsung hero of the kitchen, the microwave rice cooker. This little appliance is about to become your new best friend, especially if you're a fan of quick, healthy meals. And the best part, it's not just for rice. Quinoa, couscous, oatmeal. This versatile kitchen helper can handle it all. Just add your grains, hit the button, and let the microwave work its magic. Picture this. It's a beautiful day, you're all set for a barbecue, but disaster strikes. You've forgotten the charcoal. Don't panic, my friends, because I've got a solution that's as unexpected as it is effective. Reach for that bag of potato chips. Yes, you heard me right. Those crispy, salty snacks are not just delicious, they're also surprisingly flammable. The high-fat content in potato chips makes them excellent fire starters. Just create a small pile of chips, light them up, and watch your barbecue dreams come true. It's a testament to the ingenuity of humankind and the versatility of snack foods. Summer's come in, and you know what that means. Scorching temperatures and sweltering nights. But fear not, my overheated friends, because we're about to outsmart the heat with a little DIY ingenuity. Introducing the Styrofoam Cooler Air Conditioner, your budget-friendly ticket to a cool and comfortable summer. This is classic DIY at its finest. We're talking about taking a simple styrofoam cooler, filling it with ice, cutting a few strategically placed holes, and adding a fan for good measure. It's like a miniature Arctic blast right there in your living room. Let's be real, plastic bags have a tendency to multiply like rabbits, ending up in tangled, overflowing messes. But fear not, my eco-conscious friends, because we're about to conquer the plastic bag chaos with a simple yet brilliant solution: the empty tissue box. This is recycling at its finest. Simply stuff those plastic bags into an empty tissue box and voila! You've got a designated plastic bag dispenser that's both practical and environmentally friendly. No more wrestling with tangled bags, just grab and go. We've all been there, standing at the door, keys in hand, fumbling to find the right one. But fear not, my organization-loving friends, because I've got a solution that's as stylish as it is practical nail polish. This is where organization meets personalization. Grab your favorite colors and give each key a unique coat of paint. No more guessing game, you'll be able to identify your keys at a glance, adding a touch of personality to your everyday essentials. We've all encountered that nemesis of DIYers everywhere, the dreaded stripped screw. But fear not, my fellow handymen and women, because I've got a solution that's as simple as it is effective: the trusty rubber band. This is all about increasing friction, giving your screwdriver something to grip onto. Just place a rubber band over the stripped screw head, press down firmly with your screwdriver, and give it a turn. And there you have it, folks. 10 life hacks that are sure to make your day-to-day tasks a breeze. From taming laundry chaos to outsmarting the summer heat, we've covered it all. Remember, it's the little things that can make a big difference. And these simple yet ingenious hacks are proof that you don't need fancy gadgets or complicated solutions to make your life easier. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. See you next time.